my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So we've got the long-awaited Lydia Millen December collection. So this is like the Christmas party dresses, how I'm seeing it as anyway, with a lot of sort of event appropriate dresses, a few shirts and things like that. But what I got was, I bought 4 dresses and a coat. So I bought a short, so a midi, sort of mini actually, above the knee, black lace dress. I bought 2 of the silver shimmer metallic fabric dresses with the feathers, and I bought this sort of mauve tulle dress. So a lot of it was already sold out by the time I remembered it was actually going live. The black dress was sold out completely, the black version of the tulle dress that I got, and also the pink tulle dress that Lydia was wearing in her video a few weeks ago. So I did manage to get that. It was available actually in a size 10, which I probably could have got away with, but they didn't have it in a size 8, and I just thought, well, I'll be a size 8, and I want to be a size 8, so I don't want to be the size 10 that I am nearing towards. I need to sort myself out, so I need to get my little diet. Not even a diet, I just need to exercise a little bit more, so that's where I'm planning on doing. I've been doing some squats of an evening, doing like 100 squats with a 12 kilo weighted bar while I watch a movie or watch some telly or something in the evening. So today's video is this lovely haul from the new Lydia Millen collection. So let's get on into it. So the first dress that I've tried on is the black lace dress. So this one is really, really beautiful. It fitted really, really nicely actually. I didn't actually do it up at the back because I was in the house by myself when I was trying it on, and I didn't want to get stuck in it. It fits really, really nicely. It fit an absolute perfect size 8 to 10. So if you're between sizes like me, it would fit you, and if you're a size 8, full 8, it would fit you as well. The skirt length is actually really, really lovely. It does have a little bit of swish to it as well as you move, and the sleeve length is absolutely spot on. I have bought dresses before from Millen where the sleeves were actually too long, but the cuff length, the long cuff, is really, really nice as well, so I really, really like that. The beading is just perfection as well on this dress. It's so, so pretty, and the underskirt is a lovely lightweight cream satin fabric as well. The lovely mauve tulle dress. So this is really, really beautiful. It fits really nice if it was sized right. So it's got a nice ruffle around the arms, like the drop around the shoulders, really, really sweet. However, it doesn't fit me. It's really sized small. In fact, I would say this is between a 4 and a 6 when it should really be between an 8 and a 10. So it's almost 2 sizes too small. So it's about 2 inches on the back, unfortunately. So if the black dress is sold out and it's sized the same, wait till it comes back in, because people are going to be sending these dresses back and you'll be able to get your size, so size up. So it's more or less, unfortunately, where you can't try them on in store, it's more or less a guessing game at this point if you do actually really want to get this dress. So I'm going to send them over on back, and I might order the black one in maybe like a size 10 or a 12 just to see how that comes, because I would think that they're all made the same way in the same factory, so the size charts are all the same. So this dress has just been made too small. So it's still a really lovely dress. I do like the ruffles on it. It's very pretty. It's not my colour, so unfortunately, while it's too small, I also didn't like it on my skin tone, so it didn't match my skin tone very nicely. Are you alright, sweetheart? You want to come up? Come on then. You want to come up for cuts? Come in then, darling. Okay, we've got a guest. I've got this new shades in my dressing room, and he just loves it. Yes, so while it's really, really lovely cut, I love the style of the dress. The design is brilliant. It's just the execution, once again, with the sizing, unfortunately, is not quite there. Hello, sweetie. Next up we have this beautiful, beautiful silvery metallic gorgeous dress with feathers on the cuff. So this dress has got all the different ruffles around the shoulders, around the neck, around the skirt itself, on the back as well. It's really, really beautiful. I just feel like it's a little bit like a posh nightie, unfortunately. It's a bit too momsy for me, so it's not something I would actually wear out. I just wanted to try it on because it actually looked really, really nice, and I wanted to play with the feathers on the sleeves. I really like that part of it. Oh, I've got your feathers floating everywhere. Hello. Yeah, so for me this dress is really beautiful if you like this sort of style of dress, but unfortunately for me it's not quite right for me. I'm not sure where I'd be able to wear this type of a dress, but it is beautiful and it's been made really nicely. It's a little bit tight though across the chest, as you can probably see from the buttons around that area. So the last dress that I bought is the piece that I actually looked forward to trying on the most. I thought this was absolutely beautiful, and in person it's even more beautiful because I didn't realise how much feathering it had around the neck collar until I actually saw it in person. It's beautiful. It doesn't do it justice on the website at all. I absolutely love the flow of it. It does have a tulle underskirt as well to give it some body on the skirt. Unfortunately for me, I think this would be better if it actually reached the ground. So if it was full floor length, because it's kind of an in-betweeny length. So it feels like it's a little bit too short or a little bit too long. So either needs to be sort of mid-calf or full length, where it's sort of ankle height. So for me, just unless you're wearing the perfect shoes with this dress, it's going to look a bit not quite, just miss the mark a little bit for me. So it's really, really nice. It fitted absolutely beautifully. And it's got the lovely low back as well, so that's really, really lovely. It's just got a lovely amount of swish. It's really a special dress. I really do love it. However, because of the length of it, it's put me off. I didn't fall in love with it as I thought I was going to. When I saw it in person, I thought, wow, this is absolutely stunning. And then when I tried it on, just the length being just quite not right for me, I'm not going to keep it. I'm actually going to send it back. So if you want this dress, it's going to be back and probably back on the website in about 2 weeks' time, because that's about how long Karen Millen takes to process their returns. Okay, and then last is this lovely trench coat, and I got it with the tweed detail on it as well. I thought that was just really, really beautiful. I do have a trench with a padding effect already from River Island, and I just love the padding on this. The tweed detail down the front when you open the flap and around the collar is gorgeous, and the peplum is really a nice touch too, so I do really, really love this. The fabric is also really nice and thick as well, so it's definitely a sturdy trench coat with a lot of shape to it and hold for this sort of fabric. The collar stays up somewhat at the back. It doesn't pop completely and stay up, but it does stay up a little and then fold down at the front. So it's not completely stiff, but it's also not completely floppy either. So it's got a lovely amount of structure to it. This haul from the latest Lydia Millen collection with Karen Millen. Let me know your favourite pieces in the comment section below, and please like and subscribe. Hopefully we will see you soon for the next video, which is going to be finally my dressing room reveal, and then after that video will be decorating for Christmas, because I've been itching to do it, but I just wanted to do this dressing room reveal before I put my decorations up. So yeah, that's what's coming next on my channel. If you'd like to see those, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon for the next one. Take care, bye. Yeah, beautiful.